Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today Appa has a very fresh black prawn fruit with me. I'm going to pan fry it, yeah? Actually, it's shallow fry, meaning it's not deep fry, it's not pan fry, it's pan fry with a little bit more oil and deep fry with lesser oil. Chinese say 半煎炸. So first of all, make sure you wash the fish thoroughly, and then we make few slits, yeah, on the fish body on both sides. Then we can give it a little bit of fine salt. On both sides as well. And we can then go and prepare the hot oil. Right, get a deeper wok or deeper pan. Put in some oil. And heat up the oil to at least, to smoking point, yeah? Meaning heat up the oil until you see smoke coming out from the oil itself. That will be around 180 degrees Celsius. Not sure if you can see some smoke already releasing from the oil. Carefully put in the fish, but make sure you already wet dry the fish, okay, with some kitchen towel. If not, the fish will definitely splatter. Yeah? The oil will definitely splatter. So after you put in the fish, you leave it there for at least about 2 minutes before you flip it onto the other side. That is the golden rule, so that it will the surface at the bottom will form a crust first, then it won't break. Many people always ask Appa what kind of deeper pan I'm using, because this is a deeper pan that I purposely buy to fry fish. Why it is so good for frying fish is because, number one, it is a mix between non-stick and also stainless steel. Because stainless steel or steel, when you fry fish, it will give you better flavor, yeah, more char. And then this has a 28 centimeter opening, so it is wide enough to put the whole fish inside, yeah. So this is after like the first 2 minutes. Let me look at the beautiful golden brown we are getting. So we are going to give this side another 2 minutes. Frying a fish usually will take you somewhere around plus minus 5-6 minutes only, yeah. And the tip is don't keep on flipping it. See, it did not break at all. It's not just because it's non-stick, yeah. Because mind you, when you are frying fish, even when you are using a non-stick wok, it can also stick. This is after another about 2 minutes plus. Let me flip the second time. The fish is basically almost done. Now it's after about close to 5 minutes frying. Now what I'm going to do is, I just want to make sure I get the char, the color I wanted. What exploded just now is actually the fish eyes. Yeah? Fish eyes contains water, liquid. Now what I'm doing right now is really optional. This is really just to get the kind of char I'm looking for. And one thing about black prawn fruit is all the fins or the sides here taste as good as the meat. Yeah, very nice. Look at how beautiful it is. Beautiful golden color. Alright, this is coming to about 6 minutes of frying this fish. Done. So I'm going to get ready a kitchen towel at the side and place the fish over the kitchen towel. Push the fish to the side, off the fire, let the oil to render out, and put it onto the kitchen towel. So here's my pomfret. Let's give it a bit of green on top. A little bit of fried garlic on top also. And I'm going to eat it with some chili padi soya sauce. Yeah. So I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page, you click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.